Installation for the motorized butterfly shear shades. Open the packaging. Secure the installation brackets inside the window frame. The screw template is labeled for left and right sides, as well as inside and outside mounting. Press the bracket tightly against the window corner and mark the drilling positions. Secure the bracket with screws. Flip the screw template to switch directions. Press against the corner, mark drilling positions, and secure with screws. Install 2 brackets per meter, ensuring they are aligned in a straight line. Also can choose outside mounting. Align the screw template with the window frame and mark positions. Flip the screw template for the opposite direction. Ensure brackets are aligned straight. And secure with screws. 2 per meter. Next step is install the shades. Align the valance slot with the brackets and push firmly inward. Lift the inner part upward, while gently releasing to lock into place. Center the valance. If you want removing the shades, push the valance inward firmly. Lower the inner part and slowly release to detach. Attach the motor's pull chain. Lower the shade completely. Final setup: align and center the 2 fabric layers. Installation complete.